Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video series I'm going to be giving my top 10 tips to become a better business owner in 2023 and beyond. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile and grout cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, an upholstery cleaner, we work with you all and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting guys like you booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many people not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 6, always consider your customer's point of view. This is valuable for everything from marketing promotions to problem resolution. It's not that the customer is always right, but it's important to put yourself in their shoes and treat them like you would want to be treated if the roles were reversed. The concept behind the customer perspective is that you must make your consumers happy when selling items and services. And to please your customers, you have to understand them. Always bear in mind is that it's not about how you see your perfect floor cleaning service. Run and analyze regular customer satisfaction surveys, online feedback forms, and other customer insight methods to learn what your customers say and want from your service or product. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to find there's a lot of videos that I've done around this, because this is so important to take your carpet cleaning business or your floor cleaning business to that next level. Number 7, be a value to your suppliers. It's important to establish bonds with those you do business with, your suppliers. Ask yourself what you are bringing to the table and remember that you both need each other. Talk to them, get to know them, don't just email or text them. Stay in the loop regarding their plans for development or bringing out a new product. Will this affect the goods or services they are providing to you? Maybe you can strike a deal and be the first business on the block to offer a brand new floor cleaning product to your clients. Maybe there's an introductory offer deal for you as a regular customer. Keep an eye open for any business opportunities you can pass their way, a referral or a promotion on your business page. Make your business important to your suppliers and they will work harder for you. Number 8, be open to your intuition. We all have that niggling voice inside that tells us when something is a bad idea or a good idea. The problem is most of business owners are too busy or tired to listen to it. Instead of writing off that voice, I encourage you to embrace it. The best way to open up to your intuition is to slow down. If you're someone whose day is filled with tasks morning until night, you likely won't hear your intuition calling your name. It requires creating space in your schedule to breathe and reflect. In this period, you can check in with how you're feeling: tired, stressed, overwhelmed. This is your body and mind communicating with you. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it might not be a good time to have a meeting where you have to make big decisions, so consider rescheduling. When you have to make a decision, aim to move away from thinking, what should I do, and towards, what do I want to do? Your intuition, once you tune into it, can help you decide whether to take on a new business partner, the offer is good but he's going to be a nightmare to work with, etc., and how to grow your business. It's scary, but what if investing in the new equipment will move my business to the next level? Or what about hiring AGB to do my marketing? Maybe, I'm a bit nervous, but maybe it's going to get me booked out of jobs. It will. So number 8, be open to your intuition. Number 9, take time out. I've already mentioned about the importance of stepping away from your business, but if you can do more, and you can, you'll get so many benefits. I know so many entrepreneurs who take vacations, but really they're glued to their phones or laptops the entire time. It isn't a vacation at all. Taking an actual vacation and completely disconnecting from work may be scary for many, but trust me, it's worth it. Yes, it might involve planning ahead and finding someone to cover for you if your business can't support you being out for a few weeks. You'd be surprised how little clients actually do need you, especially if they know you're on vacation. Before you take off a month to hike the Alps, work up to it by taking a day day off or two here and there. I've made a practice of taking off Fridays, and while not everyone can do that, it's been instrumental in helping me disconnect, rejuvenate, and rekindle the flame for my work. Now, on this topic, this is all well and good, me talking about this, if you've got the team in place to allow you to take a vacation. But if you're an owner-operator and it's just you and you do everything, then it's going to be very hard for you to take time out, right? Because every day that you're not working is a day that you're not making money, which is why being an owner-operator is a risky business, which is why it's a false economy and it's the wrong attitude towards growing your carpet cleaning or your floor cleaning business, which is why I started this YouTube channel, which is why I am talking about all this stuff all the time on the internet. If you've hired us to do your marketing and your advertising, you haven't got to worry about the phone ringing anymore. You can go on holiday and know that there's jobs coming through the door. If you've got a technician that you've trained up that can go out there and do the work for you, even if it's normally like you and the technician, like at the very least for a few days, you can go on vacation and he's experienced enough to go out there and do the work for you. Awesome. So now you can take the vacation. And if you've got somebody like a secretary or someone in like a back office that can follow up with the inquiries and get people scheduled in and handle the admin, then happy days. You now have a business that you don't have to work in anymore. You can work on it, and you also have that freedom to take vacations and breaks and holidays and not burn out. So that's my number one advice there. Number 10, super important, have an exit strategy. Realize at some point you need to either sell your floor cleaning company or pass the business on to your family. Create a succession plan with your organization. You need to recognize that when the time comes, you must protect your legacy and maximize your years of hard work. When you're planning your exit strategy, you'll want to know how much your business is worth, and that is something that you should keep track of through all the years of being in business, as there is always the best and worst time to sell depending on various factors. Ask yourself, what do you want from your exit strategy? Do you still want to maintain some control over the business? Do you just want to walk away? If you're exiting a long-term business, strategies like succession planning or management buyouts can help with consistency. Consider the best and worst case scenarios. Consider what you'll need to do if your business sells for less or more than your projected valuation. Consult with strategists to understand your specific business or investment interests and plan exit strategies that make sense with your profit in mind. So we actually worked with a carpet cleaning company and we got them completely booked out. We were making them 20k a month every month for about 2 years, and the guy grew it. He had a database, a regular business. He was working with us, so he was constantly getting new business through the door, and he sold it. And he sold his business for $500,000, $500,000. That's a crazy amount of money. He sold his carpet cleaning business, and now he's like sitting on some island somewhere drinking cocktails, he's moved somewhere where the cost of living is super cheap, so that $500,000 goes a long way, and he's living the good life now. So it's completely possible to do that, to like grow, scale your floor cleaning business, your carpet cleaning business, and effectively, exit it for a good sum of money, and you'll be set up for life for sure. Conclusion: being a successful business owner requires a large amount of hard work and dedication, but also generally relies on a set of personal qualities and business practices that are common characteristics of successful entrepreneurs. These characteristics lie as much in a business's founding principles as in its day-to-day operations and dictate every decision the entrepreneur makes. But there is always a room for improvement, development, and innovation. I hope my video has inspired you to try some new business approaches or review your routine as a business owner in a bid to become better, more successful, something that any entrepreneur should aim for throughout his or her business career. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary links and info that you need. See you on the next video, guys. Cheers.